Hey guys, it's Kevin here with Bluegrass Cleaning Company. In today's video, I'm going to show you what it's like to air dust a rug. This is part of the process that we go through when we take your rugs off-site. And basically, we're using a lot of forced air through a very small slit in a carpet wand. And what that's doing is it's pushing air through the rug and through the fibers of the rug so that it blows out all the loose particulates, dead skin cells, dust mite feces, dog danders, things like that. So stay tuned and let me show you what that looks like. So now that the loose particulates are out of the rug, we actually move on to the next phase of the rug cleaning process, which is where the rug is flipped upside down, so the fibers are facing down, and then fed through a machine. This machine starts beating the back of it violently to make all the heavy particulates fall down. Join us next time and we'll show you a little bit more about our rug cleaning process. Have a great day, and remember, if you need carpet, upholstery, tiling grout, or hardwood restoration, give us a call, 888-1515. Thanks. Bye-bye.